lots of turquoise papers was huge, and so I decided to make this Lapbook that housed some of my vintage photos, and that's why there's a photograph of my Nana on the front. You'll see that there are loads of pockets all through the journal, and if I had any big pieces of paper, I made envelopes, anything that I could actually keep photographs and notes in. I have plenty of papers to make some journal pages, still pages for keeping notes, and lots of tuck spots. And also this quite large gusset pocket, which is very handy. These tall pockets are really handy too, to be able to see through them, see what is actually behind them. Nothing was too small to not make something out of. More vellum pockets. And this is an idea I saw on YouTube, and it's pages that are sewn together and held together, and then they're clipped together in between these two clips at the back. Another envelope, more pockets. Anything got stuck down, had another tuck spot. The ribbon in the middle holding everything together in case I want another book. More vellum pockets. All these small strips are tuck spots as well. Small envelopes, large envelopes, anything that was square got made into an envelope. Some of these papers I've had for years and not wanted to use them. And finally, this big pocket. I really enjoy making these. And then I had enough papers left over to make a book. Again, more tuck spots in there, and another little border on the front. A very handy book which will house an awful lot of photographs.